Are you struggling to monetize your YouTube channel? Discover how AI automation can transform your efforts into a profitable venture. Welcome to AI LifeMastery, where we unlock the secrets to using AI to boost your income and efficiency. Today, we'll reveal 5 steps to monetizing your YouTube channel with AI automation. Let's dive in. Step 1. Finding your niche with AI tools. Choosing the right niche is crucial but challenging. AI tools like TubeBuddy and VidIQ analyze trending topics and identify market gaps, providing insights into search volumes, competition, and content ideas with high monetization potential. I use VidIQ for this channel, and it's super helpful. Check out the link below. Step 2. Creating content with AI assistance. Streamline your content creation with AI tools like Jasper for scripting and Pictory for video production. These tools save time and ensure high-quality, consistent content. Thanks for sticking with us. If you find this video helpful, check the description for links to these tools. Up next, optimizing your videos for SEO and engaging with your audience using AI. Step 3. Optimizing videos for SEO with AI. Make your videos discoverable with AI tools like TubeBuddy, Morningfame, and VidIQ. Optimize your titles, descriptions, tags, and thumbnails to rank higher in search results. Step 4. Engaging with your audience using AI. Consistent interaction builds loyalty. AI-powered chatbots and comment analysis tools manage and respond to comments, ensuring your audience feels heard. Step 5. Analyzing performance and scaling with AI. Use AI analytics tools like Social Blade and YouTube Analytics for in-depth insights into your video performance, refining your strategy for growth. To recap, the 5 steps to monetizing your YouTube channel with AI automation are: finding your niche, creating content, optimizing for SEO, engaging with your audience, and analyzing performance to scale. Integrate these AI tools into your strategy to work smarter and turn your channel into a profitable venture. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to AI LifeMastery, and hit the bell icon. Drop a comment with your favorite AI tool, and let's get the conversation started. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.